Hello everyone, I'm Daryl. Today, we're doing an immersive unboxing. I'll be demonstrating the sketching effects using several different pens. Let's not waste any time and get started. These are brush pens. The ink cartridge is replaceable. There's orange, red, and black. This one is an ink cartridge. We got some others. It looks so pretty. Let's see what's in the bag. I can't wait to try them. Let's unwrap the brush pen and have a look. Here it is. The tip of the brush is still clean right now. Remove the red ring and start to press the ink cartridge. Look at the tip of the brush. It is turning black. The first one, sign pen. It felt so smooth. Its nib is very sharp. I think this is great for drawing lines and detailing. It's not suitable for shading, in my opinion. Maybe the cross-hatching is acceptable. Alright, the next one, brush sign pen. This is a lighter tone one. It is a very handy one for draft. As you can see, it is both suitable for lines and shading. I like the light blue color of it. Then let's go for the third one, needle pen. Again, another one for lines. The strokes are super thin. I can feel the nib rubbing against the paper. The sensation always makes me feel I'm immersing in the process. I would never tired of using this type. Here's another needle pen, which has the thicker tip. Let's give it a try. I have to admit that there was no difference except the thickness. If you are drawing on a larger paper, you'll definitely need it. Or if you intend to get the thicker outlines. Well, more of that. I think it conveys a stronger emotion than the thinner one. Welcome to the next one, brush sign pen artist. This is a disposable type. The tip of the brush is soft. Pay attention to the strength in your hand. The one which is powerful of each stage, no matter the lining, cross-hatching, or shading. The only things you should aware is control your hand. Shaking will cause huge disaster for sure. I can't stop using it. I was like feeling the god of drawing is in my body. The contrast amongst the thinner lines and the thicker lines, like they were dancing with the composition. Can you feel the flow of this procedure? Alright, it's time to the critical one. Replaceable type of brush pen. This is the game changer. Compared with the previous one, the same handy and approximate hot controlling. Then, what makes this different? I would say better feeling of holding, and you are able to replace the cartridges. Once you get used to it, your artworks will reach to a next level. Look at the larger strokes. Applaud for it without hesitations. And plus, they have a few options in different sizes. You can choose them according to your requirements. This one is 中字, means the medium size. The last demonstration, the orange one. Let's get started. I have to confess, I am tired of explanations. Nothing special except the color. So, enjoy the last dance of this video.